Geosynthetics have a variety of uses, including drainage and seepage and filtration. And the test, transmissivity test, is run to assist the client in picking the correct product for their application. And sometimes we do the test to support manufacturing with quality control as well. When choosing this test, doing transmissivity and flow rate, the client can choose a variety of applications. They can choose different pressures and different gradients, different subgrades, and it's so specialized that they can suit their site conditions. And that is very helpful when picking out a product. So the Transmissivity Rig that we do the analysis in, we can adjust the gradient of the water, which adjusts the height or the head of the water. It's a constant head test. We place the sample within the rig between plates or any other type of subgrade. We can choose rubber subgrades, rocks, sand, anything the client chooses to use to sandwich the sample. We put pressure onto the sample depending on what the client's needs are. So the gradient and the pressure is customizable, and we can run several tests to calculate the flow rate through the sample. And as water passes through the sample, it collects into a graduated cylinder, and we time that and we calculate a transmissivity or flow rate from that. Not only is it customizable, but you're working with the sample as a whole. You're seeing how your sample is going to behave in situ, and that's very important for a layering system where there's going to be pressures, there's going to be different gradients, and there's going to be different types of subgrades. The transmissivity test can help us determine if the product is working to specifications straight off the manufacturing line, but it can also help us understand what happens to the product if you change variables in production, if you change the method of attaching geosynthetics, if you change the type of polymers you're using in the nets, or if you change the fibers in the geosynthetics themselves. This test can help determine if the flow rate is being impeded by any of these processes.